Okay boys, in this video we're going to be changing the fuel filter on this beast. First thing you want to do is get your fuel filter is going to be under there. I already have the wheel off because we're getting ready to do brakes on that thing in another video, and we already did the rear shock in another video. So, kind of killing a few birds with one stone, filming all at the same time and releasing all in their own videos. Okay, just like with the E38 and anything else, you want to locate the fuse for your fuel pump. If you use number 1, it's a 20 ampere. Already pulled it out right there. After you remove that fuse, you want to start the engine, or attempt to start the engine. It should turn over a bunch, but not actually fire. And then after we do that, we depressurize the fuel system, at least from this end up to the injectors. So we'll only have to worry about a little bit of fuel trickling out of the tank from gravity, but we won't have any high pressure stuff spitting and hitting us. So we're going to go ahead and see under the car, and then you can get an idea of what we're looking at. Okay, and here we are under the beast. So, unfortunately, my new filter by K&N did not come with these plastical quick disconnect tab deals. There's 2 white ones. So just note that one's pointing this way, the direction of flow, one's pointing that way towards the tank, the direction the fuel's coming from. And the little arrow on the filter denotes the actual flow of the gas will be going. Or this lip will be on side closest to the engine. So, we just need a straight screwdriver to loosen that. We're going to have to be gentle taking these plastic deals out, because if we break them, we're boned, since we don't have replacements. If you had replacements, you can manhandle them. Not really, it doesn't really matter, but I have to be gentle with mine. And then I have half a tank of fuel, so hopefully we don't lose a whole hell of a lot from this end, and we don't take a bath in it. Ideally, you want to have as least amount of fuel as possible, but I haven't been driving this thing lately after I filled it up because I had to do rear shocks, and yeah, that was a pain in the ass. I was like off and on a whole week worth of doing stuff. But let's soldier on, gently pry these out, and get this filter out of here. Okay, and this is all the fuel that we lost, so a pretty minuscule amount. And that is because we did turn the engine over after disconnecting. Oh, the fuse for the fuel pump. Got our new K&N installed. Got our clips back on, so we did manage to finagle them off. So that can be done. It takes a little more time though than if you just manhandle them off and snap them. But yeah, if you don't have replacements, you gotta be gentle. Okay, so now we just need to put the clamp back on, and then we'll prime it and start the car and check for leaks. And when we don't have any, success. And here's the old Motorcraft one. I'm sure somewhere on here is one of these part numbers, should you be replacing it with a Motorcraft. Here's the part number for the K&N. Paul Frank 2000. Paul Frank 2000. Okay, we got the fuse back in, and our filter is intact. It is reinstalled, clamp and all. So we're going to assume we don't have any leaks while priming this. So we're going to prime it a few times. I can hear the fuel pump running, priming. So let's go ahead and see if she'll start. And we'll check for leaks. Hopefully we don't have any. Hey yo. Alright, let's check. Alrighty. Everything looks fine to me. Not a drop. Alright, that's a successful fuel filter change. Alright boys, that's how you do her. Quick and easy, one of the easier jobs. Way easier than the rear shocks, that's for damn sure. Thanks for watching, catch you in the next video, peace.